Yo, what's up, conspiritualists? It's your boy Shane, back with another deep dive into the mysterious and the unknown. Today, we're diving deep into the world of hip-hop and secret societies, where beats and bars meet whispers of hidden agendas. We're talking about NLE Choppa, his music video Whole Army, and the Illuminati symbols people are freaking out about. This video has sparked a lot of conversations and debates online. NLE Choppa is a talented rapper, no doubt. His rise to fame has been meteoric, and his influence on the hip-hop scene is undeniable. Whole Army is a banger, but some fans see something darker lurking beneath the surface. They believe there's more to the visuals than meets the eye. They're convinced it's full of Illuminati symbols. From the all-seeing eye to pyramids, the imagery has fans buzzing with theories. Is it true? We're about to find out. We'll analyze the symbols and see if there's any substance to these claims. The Illuminati. They're everywhere and nowhere, right? This secret society is said to pull the strings behind the scenes. A shadowy group controlling the world from behind the scenes. The idea is both fascinating and terrifying. Some people think celebrities join them for fame and power. The allure of the Illuminati is strong in the world of glitz and glamour. It's the ultimate conspiracy theory, connecting dots that may or may not be there. But are these just theories? Or is there a hidden truth waiting to be uncovered? Or is there something real hidden in plain sight? Let's break it down and see if we can separate fact from fiction. First up, we have pyramids. Yeah, pyramids. These geometric marvels have fascinated humanity for centuries. Those giant, ancient tombs in Egypt. They stand as a testament to the ingenuity and power of ancient civilizations. They're a classic symbol of power and mystery. Their construction still baffles scientists and historians alike. And guess what? They pop up a lot in Whole Army. This isn't just a random occurrence. Coincidence? I don't think so. There's a deeper meaning behind their frequent appearances. Think about it. The Illuminati love symbols. They use them to communicate and exert influence. And what's more symbolic than a pyramid? It's a shape that has stood the test of time. They represent hierarchy, with the top controlling everything below. This mirrors the structure of many secret societies. Plus, pyramids are on the dollar bill. This isn't just a design choice. It has historical and symbolic significance. The Illuminati love their money, so it all adds up, right? Their influence is everywhere, even in our currency. Some people say the pyramids were built by aliens. This theory adds another layer of intrigue. Maybe the aliens were the Illuminati all along. It's a wild thought, but it makes you wonder. Okay, maybe that's a stretch, but it's fun to speculate, isn't it? But the point is, pyramids are powerful symbols. They evoke a sense of awe and mystery, and their presence in Whole Army definitely raises some eyebrows. It's worth paying attention to these recurring symbols. Next up, we've got triangles. They're everywhere in this video. Seriously, once you start noticing them, you can't unsee them. Triangles are another classic Illuminati symbol. Think about the all-seeing eye. It's a triangle, right? The Illuminati love their eyes. They want to watch everything we do. Triangles represent power and control. They're also associated with the number 3, which some people think is a magical number. So, why are there so many triangles in Whole Army? Is NLE Choppa trying to tell us something? Is he part of the Illuminati, or is he just messing with us? Now let's talk about colors. Specifically, black and white. You see these colors a lot in Whole Army. The video often switches between light and dark scenes. Black and white can represent duality, good and evil, light and dark. Some people think the Illuminati use these colors to represent their own duality. They're all about balance, or at least that's what they want us to think. But here's the thing. Black and white are also just really cool colors. They look good on camera. So, is NLE Choppa using them for a deeper meaning, or is he just trying to make his video look awesome? Hold on to your hats, guys, because this next one is a doozy. The number 6. It's a number that has fascinated and terrified people for centuries. From ancient texts to modern pop culture, the number 6 has always had a mysterious aura around it. Some people believe it's the number of the beast. This belief stems from the Book of Revelation in the Bible, where 666 is referred to as the number of the beast, symbolizing ultimate evil. And guess what? It pops up a few times in Whole Army. Whether it's a subtle background detail or a prominent feature, the number 6 seems to be everywhere. 6 dancers in one scene, 6 cars in another. Coincidence? Maybe, maybe not. The recurrence of the number 6 in various contexts makes you wonder if there's a hidden message. We know the Illuminati love their numbers. They are often associated with numerology and hidden meanings, and 6 is a big one for them. It's said to represent balance and harmony, but also imperfection and the material world. It represents imperfection and the material world. This duality makes the number 6 even more intriguing. Some people even think the Illuminati are trying to usher in a new world order ruled by the number 6. This theory suggests that they use the number to subtly influence and control society. Is NLE Choppa part of this plan? His music and visuals often feature the number 6, leading some to speculate about his involvement. Or is he just messing with our minds? The line between reality and conspiracy can be thin, and sometimes it's hard to tell what's real and what's just a clever illusion. Okay guys, we're going full conspiracy theory mode now. Let's talk about animals, specifically owls and snakes. These creatures are often linked to the Illuminati. And guess what? They're both in Whole Army. Owls represent wisdom and knowledge, but they're also associated with darkness and secrecy. The Illuminati love their secrets, right? Snakes are even more suspicious. They represent deception and temptation. Think about the Garden of Eden. So, why are these animals in NLE Choppa's video? Is he trying to tell us that the Illuminati are watching, that they're all around us? Or are we just looking too deep into this? So, what does it all mean? Is NLE Choppa really part of the Illuminati? Is he trying to send us a message through his music? Honestly, guys, I don't know. Maybe he's just a talented artist making a video. Maybe he's into conspiracy theories himself. Or maybe, just maybe, he's part of something bigger. We know the Illuminati love to recruit celebrities. They use their power and influence to spread their message. Could NLE Choppa be their latest recruit? At the end of the day, it's up to you to decide. Are these Illuminati symbols real, or are we just seeing what we want to see? Conspiracy theories are fun to think about. They make us question everything. But it's important to remember that they're just theories. There's no proof that the Illuminati even exists. So, what do you think? Is NLE Choppa sending us a message? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more conspiracy theory breakdowns.